Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit pictures using Capcut. So here I've already imported two pictures to my Capcut, and there are so many things actually that you can do with pictures on Capcut. You can easily add filters. For example, here there are lots of filters that you can apply to your pictures like this. Beside that, you can also add a video or photo effect. Here I'm going to show you the photo effect first. For example, I'm going to change it into an anime. So click on the photo effect that you want. Okay, I think the photo is not too visible. Let's try the other one. Okay, like this, you can change it into an anime photo, or you can also make the photo shake using this camera shake or the photo slinky effect, and your photo will become like this. You can see now the photo is shaking like that, like it's shaking. So basically there are lots of things that you can do with pictures on Capcut. So Capcut not only can be used to edit videos but also pictures. And I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Thank you.